In front of me is Nokia 6310 from 2021, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this device. So first of all, you need to open your camera app, then tap on option and select self timer right here. And you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay, it's up to you. So let me go with 3 seconds delay, click on select, and from now on you can capture a picture after 3 seconds of delay. And that's it. If you'd like to switch it off, just go to options again. Okay, so let's go back because we are on the current picture. So tap on options again, choose self timer and switch it off by selecting off. From now on, you will be able to grab a picture right after you click. So this is it. That will be all. So you can use camera timer in your Nokia. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.